Hi all, welcome to EduTech AI Prime. So today we are continue our questions and answers of the previous part. So we can move on to the first question. Solve y double dash minus 3y dash plus 2y is equal to 0. The auxiliary equation is r square minus 3r plus 2 is equal to 0. Then we can factorize into r minus 1 and r minus 2 is equal to 0. The roots are r is equal to 1 and r is equal to 2. The general solution is y is equal to c1 e raised to x plus c2 e raised to 2x. So we can move on to the next question. Solve y double dash minus y is equal to 0. Y of 0 is equal to 2. Y dash of 0 is equal to 3. So the solution is the auxiliary equation is r square minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, r is equal to plus or minus 1. Therefore, y is equal to c1 e raised to x plus c2 e raised to minus x. We can apply the initial conditions. Y of 0 is equal to 2. Therefore, c1 plus c2 is equal to 2. Y dash of 0 is equal to 3. Therefore, c1 minus c2 is equal to 3. Therefore, c1 is equal to 5 by 2 and c2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So therefore, y is equal to 5 by 2 e raised to x minus 1 by 2 e raised to minus x. So we can move on to the next question. Solve y double dash plus 2y dash plus 5y is equal to e raised to minus x. The solution is CF is equal to r square plus 2r plus 5 is equal to 0. Yc is equal to e raised to minus x into c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. The pi is trial for RHS e raised to minus x. Therefore, the yp is a e raised to minus x. Then substitute a is equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, the solution is y is equal to e raised to minus x into c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x plus 1 by 4 e raised to minus x. So we can move on to the next question. Solve y double dash plus 4y is equal to 0. The auxiliary equation is r square plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, the solution is equal to y is equal to c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. So we can move on to the next question. Solve y double dash minus 3y dash plus 2y is equal to 0. The auxiliary equation is r square minus 3r plus 2 is equal to 0. R minus 1 into r minus 2 is equal to 0. So the roots are r is equal to 1, 2. Therefore, the general solution is y is equal to c1 e raised to x plus c2 e raised to 2x. So let's conclude our video. We can continue our next parts on the next videos. Stay tuned. It's me Akshay. Goodbye.